Yeah, fun stuff, fun stuff. Okay, yeah, that's fine. It's still loaded. Just fire up SoundCloud again. We'll get that going. That's royalty free. See if we can get some music going, and then we'll just try and punch this up, get this going. Is my UTM authenticated? Yep, it's that. There we go. Alright. Alrighty. Okay, let's get back into it. So, functions, there was an update push, so that'll be interesting. It's a URL query that we're expecting, and it's just a GUID. So, what we need here is a GUID. URL endpoint, and then we just hit the GUID. Now that ain't going to work because, so that's fine. We can use requestJobResponse.jobs.GUID because that's going to be the GUID. So we can drop that in. Like so, content out doesn't really matter, but we'll just leave it as that anyway. So job response, your endpoint, so just document my changes. So expected input, BAMS, good to go, GUID, URL endpoint, content type application, jobs response. Sweet, after all, clean that up so we can then just go. So we're actually looking for the exact same content, to be honest. going to be slightly different. That's fine. So, what's the output going to be? There it is. So, we're going to do select input.
Audio jungle.
Like so.
Audio jungle. Audio jungle.
So like so. So I can actually just keep an eye on it and understand what I'm doing. So we're looking for that. Very easy to test for. So parameters, that, yep. So that one, this can stay as it is, that one can stay as it is. We've got GUID, computer name, status. And then we can just go do this, grab that, paste that, paste that, paste that. I'm just going to grab that so I can keep track of what am I actually doing. This is just me note taking, so I don't have to scroll up because I'm super lazy. So I can go that. Success.quit. Status, success status, like so, sweet. So that's done. So that all should contain. Well, technically speaking, yes, it should contain it. G'day, Disso. It's good to see ya. Yep, you definitely are in the PowerShell fanboy club here. We got Glenn here as well from WA, Western Australia, who's a big PowerShell fan. So, yeah, welcome. Hope you stick around. So I'm hoping once I get this. Oh, g'day, Adilio. I was lied to. I was under the impression that you don't read all caps messages. Oh, thanks, mate. So, how you going, Adelia? How's chocolatey life? Oh, still, man, that's gonna be so good. Chocolatey. Getting there, mate. Getting there. It was a tough week this week, put it that way. But it's Friday, so it's all good. That's the main thing. What about yourself? How's your week been? Must be pretty crazy for you at the moment because you're wrapping up with obviously your current job, so you're kind of switching over to a new one. Let's respond. response status, status.grid, status.computer name, success.status, sweet. So we've got that, good to go. So next thing we need to test. Yeah, I've done mine. I've got literally one more paragraph to write and then it's done. But I still haven't, like, I've kind of got to get a pull request in that's actually successful at the moment, which is not really happening for me at the moment. So yeah, I'm not having the best time with that. Oh, nice. Yeah, Jordan's really good for that. Yes, I will use it full linting in that. I just, again, it's literally getting time to set it up, which, again, it's not really much of an excuse, but I'm trying to get all that sorted for... Yeah, sorry. Yeah, so I'm under the so yeah, I've got to yeah, first build, yeah. But it's a tough one. It's a tough one. Anyway, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just kind of sussing all these out. So I'm looking for failures. What's a failure constitute as? Error. Just error. It's just one lowly error. Yeah, error. Okay, sweet. So what we can do is we need to test for error. So I'm going to literally, can you okay. Cool. Thanks. I'm probably. What I might do is I might run it before I go to bed, and then just leave it on for the night and see how we go. Yeah, we'll see how we go. Still. So I think that's pretty much it. Oh, I've actually got to do this part, so what I'm going to do is grab all this. Check it in like before. Excuse me, sorry. So inside like before each block. So what we're going to do here is we're just going to test with the... Can't really test the database one, so we're kind of going to have to... Oh, we can actually... We don't actually need to put this inside each. We can actually put this inside of for... that. So only testing one component, facet code there. show you how we can test the actual SQL. That's fine. That's fine. All right. Spell the GUID. Not splat inside a script block. So that's done. We should be ready to run. Right, let's see what happens. Some tests. I don't expect this to work, but we'll see how we go. We'll wait on that. As soon as the stock prices. Yeah, I didn't expect that. Sorry, I kind of didn't expect that, so that's fine. So how will we get my out in the context block, that's fine. Where are we at? Yeah, let's do it at 9. So, start breakpointing. So, it's going to drop a breakpoint right here. Double define. That's the reason why, because it's sending it that, so we can fix that up now. So what we can do, need to go send job, grab old mate, pop him here. Response, which is good. Expected null, but got different. Okay, so what we did was this: expected null to be different from the actual value, but got the same value. Okay. Let's say should not be null. Oh, we're just gonna have a look now. That's our next step. That's our next step. Just drop a breakpoint there. So it's fine. So what's probably going on here? So first test passes. Oh, reason why is because just that. Let me just stop that. So status, output success. The actual response that's sending, so oh, it actually is writing stuff. Okay. So we actually do need to add those extra items in there, that's that should basically be Pester test. So output is equal to, we're just going to call it decoded output. think that's it. I think we're good to go. Oh, there it is. We'll wait for this. Do its tests, and then once its tests are done, we are done. We'll then run a full suite, make sure everything's legit, and then once we've done that, I can actually work on the C# service. And once we've got the C# service going, which I'm hoping we will actually have this project completed by the end of next week. So it'll actually be really good. It'll be a good response. Is it actually running, or is it on a breakpoint? I think it's sitting on a breakpoint. No, it's in debug. Looks like it's running. It's hung up on something. That's right. That's alright. I'm just going to terminate this. That's random. Perfect. All our successes passed. We've got our Pester test response, so we've deserialized the code. So that's fine. I don't really. That second half is obviously we need to fix in the context block, which totally understandable. That's good. So. Yep, context block, test, do that, do that. Now we need to work out why it's just not working. That's why. So what we can do, we can fix that in a couple of seconds. Realistically, we can just grab those lines again and just pretty much copy and paste them down. Notepad land, what do I copy? Dot source. That should fix it. Yeah, that should fix it. So we rerun it. Should be good to go. Oh, that's good. Second one failed. That's alright. That's alright. Why did you fail? just breakpoint it. Have a look what we're getting back, and that'll tell us. Oh, hang on, no, we can keep breaking. Keep going, mate. No problem. Well, I really stuffed that one up. Explain it. I'll put a 2 there, not a, I'll put a from, not a 2. Yes. Alright. Now, actually get. Oh, we don't need that. It's invoke, isn't it? It's invoke Pester. So now I'm actually running all the tests on this build, so it should have a full test, and we should have complete autonomy now with our tests. Hey Adelia, how many words is your chapter? Which is actually something just came to mind, because I just quickly this test is going to take a while to run, so while we're waiting on that. Okay, it's about 2,600. Okay. I'll quickly show you what I've done. I feel like it's like, I don't know. I'm a little worried. Mainly all my work's in actually, to be honest, what I've done is actually wrote it in Word. I wrote it in Word and used Grammarly to check it, and then from there, yeah. So this is what I was actually supposed to, I was trying to do, but I know that they're not a big fan of, yeah. Am I using new line per sentence? No, that's something I do need to fix. So it's, yeah, that's one of the things that I've got to kind of go through and sort out. So there's a lot of work there that I actually got to get this actually into that format. So semantic line break per comma. Really? Alright, well, yeah. So do you mean, okay, so when you mean a semantic line break per comma, it's all in publishing. Okay. Right, so this is, yeah, okay, so I've got a fair bit of work to do, but I was kind of yeah. So this is what I've kind of done. I've just yammering on about logging streams, handling errors, log file rollover. It actually looks way better, and yeah, it looks way better in Word. So yeah, but yeah, I'm hoping that it's really good. So just I've got to add the last bit. I've got to add is cloud logging examples using PowerShell, and then basically add a screenshot and then that should be it. But yeah, it's quite lengthy. Like, I kind of had to stop writing because I was getting writer's block, but two, it's like, for example, you're kind of starting to go a little bit down the rabbit hole. So, for example, I was talking about event logging, and I was kind of a little bit concerned about like my snippets, and I was thinking about how show my snippets. So I was like, you kind of started going down the rabbit hole in terms of trying to like talk about, for example, trait like event logs, and then I could be like, I can talk about, you know, writing an event log and what's source, and it just kind of starts snowballing. No, my code blocks are going to be snippets. So the design document said I can reference, like, large code blocks need to be can be in its own, like in a code subdirectory within your own directory. But basically, it's like anything that's short, like so anything that's like anything like this, it can kind of sit in line since it's not that specifically, like it's not that big. Like, so that's what I've done anyway. But, yeah, code blocks will have to be less than, I believe that's the hard one. Yeah, I think it is. It's actually, I had to spat like a boss. That's spat like a boss. I'm like, nah, I'm not even trying. Like, I'm just like, I'm offloading it. Like, one of the things I do really want to do is once I get it all in there and the book actually physically gets, like, it actually gets published, I actually do want to create a paperback version. So I'll probably make a couple of paperback versions. Let's see how we go. Alright, 42 tests passed. Everything's working. It's good. It's good. It's good. So we've got like, I'm just literally trying to find where I invoke Pester. But we've got 42 tests passed. That's fantastic. That's really good. It means that our lifecycle process in terms of Azure functions, so if we go back to our whiteboard, is done. Yeah. So this Azure, all the functions up here are fine now. So now the next step is to actually finish this C# process. So I can actually start Visual Studio now, which is kind of exciting. So actually can finally, then we can, like, I've been working on this for a little bit of time, and now I'm just kind of like slowly getting it working, and I think it's to the point now where once I get this running, then I can actually start submitting jobs, and then we're done. We are done. So basically what I've got here is simple service running. So excuse me, simple base standard Windows service template. In here, they're basically just defining some request jobs, REST handler. So this basically will handle, it'll just handle the my REST requests to my endpoints. So just request new jobs, invoke. So it's just a private internal, and then basically send new jobs. So I've got to clean this one up. That's fine. Since I know actually what I need to build back, so I can fix that up. And then within here, I've got the job itself. Let me add an assembly reference. using a directive is not necessary. Okay, that's fine. So once I've done that, then I've just got a PS worker class. Oh, sorry, I've just got a class here, which will basically fetch the jobs, decode them, execute them here. Just trying to work out what this is. This is parameter, PowerShell parameter, Pester output. Okay, I think there is some work that needs to be done in here. I think I am missing some management libraries. System.automation. System management automation. Why is that missing? Oh, maybe I need to actually add that one. Let's add that one now. Okay. It's missing. Oh, I think I needed to. I'm just trying to remember what I did last time because I'm pretty sure I actually needed to add the DLL. I'm just gonna have to quickly Google it because I'm pretty sure I needed to add the DLL. System.management.automation. Automation. I'm pretty sure it's a DLL. Yeah, first response. Where is system.management.automation? Doesn't matter if you need to run this. How convoluted is that? It doesn't matter if any. Okay. I know it's a DLL. It's published. Alright, if it's a NuGet package, I'm going to have a quick look at it, but I don't think you need to have a NuGet package because at the end of the day though, I know it's a DLL that sits on the machine. Microsoft install. I'm gonna be like, we're gonna try and pump this as quickly as possible for today because at the end of the day, if I can get this in a debug state in C#, it means that we might, and I'm gonna use the fingers crossed, we might be able to send this service an actual executable job and see the whole process go back and forth, which will be really, really, really cool. We'll see how we go. What? I hate that. What? Okay. Did it actually install it? Or did it just... Where the hell is it? I've added it, and where is it as in my reference? Something's wonky here. Something is wonky. I think solution, no. We're just gonna miss the com objects. Where the hell did it go? Alright, let's go for the latest release, see what happens, eh? This might be cool. I think it's because it's actually cool. Go find it. Just gonna run a quick search. System management automation, found it. Paid it. Now we're cooking with gas. So everything should kind of start sorting itself out. Okay, we need to create this class. That's fine. Show them a PowerShell instance. PowerShell parameter. Let's have a return type. What my return type gonna be? I'm just gonna return this. What is it? It is. What is it returning? Job. Contains a. That's fine. So what we can do here is just go return, pop up to that. What are we actually looking at? It's job. Swap you. PS objects. Oh yeah, actually that's actually a really interesting thing. I actually really should invoke it and then reserialize it. Return. Kind of like, for a second I'm just like, wait a second, yes, I'm writing C#. Okay, have to put my C# hat back on. What's it called? What's it supporting? Really? What? What am I supporting? Oh, what? Oh, you're kidding. You're kidding. So I wrote this and I think I've lost it. Where the hell did I put it? That's alright, we'll just create it again. There's already one, really? Okay, I'm just gonna add that directory. It is there. So that is weird. That's super weird, but that's alright. That's alright. We didn't have to rewrite it. I can just. So what we can do here is just go. I'm assuming that's a string, but I honestly don't know what it is. Oh, it's a PS object. Okay. Okay, I'm just getting a phone call, guys. I'll just be back 1 moment. Alrighty, I'm back.
Audio Jungle.
Alright, so we've got a type PS object. That's what it's coming back as.
Audio Jungle.
Honestly, it's coming back as a PS object.
Audio Jungle.
It's already converted to JSON there, so I can just string it. So it's serialized the output.
Audio Jungle.
That's fine. And that will send it all back up. Alright,
Audio
good stuff,
Jungle.
good stuff. So
Audio Jungle.
now we've got this random PowerShell parameter class. I know this is a custom class because I did write this class. I'm just trying to remember what did I do in this class. Because at the end of the day, it looks like it's taking. Oh, okay.
Audio Jungle.
The parameters are getting passed outside of it. Okay, so I'm just thinking for a sec because I think there's a problem with the function. So the function supports the ability to execute PowerShell code. That's fine, but it doesn't support the parameters.
Audio Jungle.
I'm just trying to think how much work it's going to be able to actually do that. To be honest, it's going to be a bit of work because at the end of the day I have to actually update the job
Audio Jungle.
to be able to update the schema so that basically it can accept parameters. Parameters would need to be defined as a JSON string. So it's easy just to basically just pass code into it and it'll execute it. So that's still going to be fine. So we just won't be able to fully execute a PowerShell script. So it won't be a true runbook as per se, but basically it'll still have the full capabilities there. So you can still, you know, copy and paste a quick snippet of code and it'll actually go run it, which is fine. I don't think that's an issue there. So get a script block. I can just get rid of all that. So what I've done here is I've built a wrapper, so it's actually wrapping around the script block. And then basically the reason why I did that was because if you pasted a full-blown script in here, what you can actually do is with, you know, parameters and all that goodness, it would obviously encapsulate that inside a function. So then basically all I need to do is call the function. Obviously the parameters are pre-built, and then all I need to do is then just basically dynamically build dynamically build the parameter set. So that's what it was doing here, was that it was actually it was going through and it was actually just building out the parameters by basically just building out the string required. So so that is something random, so we'll just go to the next one. Let's see if there's anything here. So what I've done here, so I've got PowerShell parameters, parameter blah blah blah. So yeah, we don't need that, we can get rid of that. So we can get invoke wrapper. I don't actually need the parameters, we just I don't know why I outstringed it here. It doesn't need to be there. So basically what we're doing is we're wrapping it inside a script block, defining a function, wrapping it inside it, and then basically invoking it, and then basically converting the output to JSON. So we're serializing the output so we can capture it, so it actually captures a legitimate output. And then from that, we add our script. So it's just a single line which will execute, which is fine. It'll invoke it, go. Alright, so what we need to do here now is we actually decoded our job. Execute it. What I'm going to do here is just so try catch. So if there is an error, we can just capture it there, which is fine. And then we can just go this dot. Doesn't need to be public. Execute job, like so. Encoded. I'm gonna just capture all exceptions. I'm just gonna handle all exceptions. Yeah. What I'm gonna do here. Okay. I'll sort that out in a moment. So what we're going to need to do now is we've got our get job, execute job. We need to now create a send job. Actually, how are we fetching our job right now? Supporting invoke here, job, yep. Okay, so requesting new jobs. So what we can do is send it back. So what we can do here is we've got the items that we need to send back. So what we can do here is actually going to need to go inside of this for each statement here because it will send an individual job back for each job response. Oh, sorry, each job executed. So if we go. I don't even need to see the result. It's fine. So if we go back to our function, not that one, and we just have a quick look at send job. It's our expected input. So what we can do is build a quick class. Let's call it HP send job. Like so. Just paste this in here so excuse me, so I can keep track of it. This is all pretty straightforward. So it's just squared. create an object. So what we can do here is do this. So obviously it needs to be serialized. What was it? Status code. So what we can do is we're just going to create a quick couple of methods in here to help us out. So we can do here. Structure this. It should be some job. Let's create a default constructor. Let's create an overloaded one. The reason why I'm not including status code is because we can actually just append that once we create the object. So we can create the object, load the properties up with the overloaded constructor, and then we can set it in the catch statement. So speaking of that, that actually is not going to work. We actually need to have two overloaded jobs. This is going to be fun. Just going to put the. Oh, yeah, we are getting dark now. Okay, 2 seconds, guys. I'll get the light sorted. I should do this every time. Trying to focus. Let me quickly fix that up. Well, that is definitely focusing the wrong way. Was that 37? Alright, back to the screen. Alright, so can't actually do it that way because the types are the same. So we can do this is what we're going to do. So create a default constructor that's public, like so. Then we're going to go string. We're going to go response. No, I'm not going to do this. No. So we're going to create a status job with a GUID because we know the GUID. GUID's always good. GUID's fine. So we can just set this GUID. That's fine. And then we're just going to use the ads. So we're just going to go create methods. So create ad. Okay, so what we can do here. Is go to our Jobbo. We want to actually use the overloaded one, to be honest. We don't actually want the overloaded one because we actually just want to pop the quid back in. So what we're going to do is that's going to need to sit inside a try-cat. I'm just trying to think, is it going to need to be outside it? No, it shouldn't. We are fine. So we're decoded. We're going to execute it, decoded. Job.coxml, and then we're going to go job.grid, like so. So that basically sorts that out. No worries, Adelio. See you, mate. Take care. So create a response object. Oops. Do that. Once we've done that, job executed. static. Oh, that's why. So URI is just going to be that. We can just URI, we can just pop bold mating in, which just realised we actually need to actually put proper URIs in this. What do I do for up here? That's what URL post job. We don't have any that's what that. I was thinking that, which is really good. Serialize object H. Serialize the response back. So now if we go back to here, job finally actually go arrest handler. How do we send response job? I think that's it. What's that return type? I've literally just got the jobs. So I'm gonna go process. I think that's it. I think we're actually ready to start. Alright, let's do it. So, what we've got here. I'm just going to leave that. I want to actually see it work first. If it works, then we're done. Deployed on a virtual machine, then we'll actually start processing things. So now, initialize timer, time event. So now, all I need to do here is just go job. To be honest, we can actually even do this. There's no properties, so HTTP request jobs. Public HTTP request jobs. Oh, it is here something. Okay. Okay, I think we're good. I think we are good. So, I can just go process like that. I think it's just classes. Dot job. I think that's it. Oh, we're expecting a semicolon. A semicolon. I think that is it. I think it's work. I think that's all the code we need. Whether it's going to work or not is another thing. Let's give it a go. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to break point old maybe there, and we're going to hit it. That's what I'm going to do. Cannot start a service from the command line or debugger. Windows service must be first installed using install util and then with. Okay. I forgot how to do this. This has been a while. Debug Windows service. C#. It's been ages since I've done this. Debugging on start can be difficult because the service system imposes a 30-second limit on all attempts. Yeah. Yep. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so we're using that project execute. Run install from command prompt with your projects executable as a parameter. Where is it? Okay, that's why. colleague installs with remove install state files and that's okay. So where is it? Not sure. Oh well, that's right. What we might do is I'm going to leave it here for today. And I think I'm going to call it a night actually. I think we've got a really good amount of work done, and then basically I'm thinking maybe we can go to this part next week, and then we can basically do final testing and then code sign off and complete it. So I think we'll leave it there. Yeah, I think we're going to leave it there. So anyway guys, thanks for joining us if you've been watching. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Anyway, and I hope to see you guys next time. Don't forget to, if you liked it, follow me. You'll get notifications on when I am streaming. And also don't forget to follow the BrizPug PowerShell channel as well. Anyway guys, best of luck, and see you next time. Bye for now.